how to add a website to your home screen on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can add a website to your home screen on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add a website to your home screen on iPhone, open up Safari and go to any web page. So let's say you want to actually use Amazon.com and then actually add this to your iPhone's home screen instead of downloading the app. You only want to add a website shortcut. To do this, once you're on the website, from the bottom you'll find this upper arrow icon, which is the bookmark like icon. So when you tap on it, again you'll find all these options, but here you have to just scroll and then look for the option known as add to home screen. So now just go ahead and tap on add to home screen. Simply give this a name, and once you basically give this a name over here, I'll simply name this Amazon, and then I'll tap on add, and now you can see that Amazon website has been added to my home screen. Mind you, this is not an app but just a web shortcut. As you can find, this is just a Safari browser. So if you want to remove it again, you can go ahead and then do that. This way you should be able to add a website to your iPhone home screen. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.